money ain't no problem. I'm about to turn boss bitches to a trending topic. Ice on my neck, keep me drippy, feeling traffic. Know that I'm the shit, so when they see me, I'm a
y'all, so y'all already know about the title where we're going, but tell me why we went to the wrong part. Yeah, I can't deal with Atlanta Airport because do it every time, get lost every time. But I'm gonna come back to y'all whenever we get seated before we even get on the flight. So I'll see y'all in a second. So y'all, we finally made it on the plane, and it's a little ghetto. It's a little ghetto.
A little different. You look like one of me. One of us.
Like, how is this even gonna work out? Are y'all even professional? But I'm gonna show y'all when we take off and then get back to y'all when we land. So hey guys, so we just landed, y'all. I just did my personal on the plane, literally within like the last few minutes. Wasn't it? Anyways, once we get off, we gotta go pick up the rental, and then our day is gonna be started. But y'all, we at Miami Beach.
Where you coming from?
Georgia.
Guys, a little update of what the fuck's been going on since we got off the plane, y'all. We came to get our rental. We had $77 left to pay on the rental, right? Which was supposed to be paid when we got here. Why are they talking about $500 to $1,000 deposit? They don't got that nowhere. They didn't tell us that. Why? And then they don't want to give us our money back. So we just lost our little money, and now we finna Uber everywhere. Uber and Lyft everywhere. Cause hell no. Who the fuck was gonna pay $500 to $1,000? Girl that walked out the room as soon as he said, I'm gonna go to start this shit up. Then we calling the folks, and they was like, actually you're supposed to cancel. If you wanted to cancel and get your money back, you had to cancel in the 40 hour, like within the 40 hours. And yeah, that's what I'm saying. We didn't expect to cancel it. They had a little attitude. They didn't want to transfer us over to the supervisor, so we just said fuck it, we're gonna Uber. But other than that, our Uber's on the way. We're gonna have a blast. We're gonna make fun of like the life of this trip, y'all. But we can't even check into our Airbnb until 4 o'clock. Got here at 10 o'clock. Got here at 10 this morning, and now we're just about to just do shit until we can go check in. We were supposed to like get the rental and then go to the beach, but we'll figure it out, and y'all gonna see where we at in a few minutes.
It's like something keeps happening back to back to back, y'all. The first Uber driver definitely canceled on us while we was walking to the car. But we in the other one, and I just know the Lyft. Well, we got Lyft. Better send me my little money back. Said I was gonna keep updating y'all, and yeah, y'all, we're at our Airbnb, but we can't check in till another 30 minutes. And y'all, the gate is dead ass locked. Like, the gate is locked. We can't even get to the door to even try to put the pin in to see if it's gonna let us in. So it's like, bitch, maybe we trying the wrong door. Girl, look, she just opened this. Like a dumbass. We were actually in the wrong gate. Let me turn this way. We was actually in the wrong gate. It's like a little villa. So I guess I'll show y'all in the room. Look, there's something in the trees over there. I'll show y'all, and it's hot, y'all, and I got this hoodie on. I'll show y'all what the room look like when we get in there. It's literally 3:38, and we was sitting on the side of the road like we was 304s, just sitting with our stuff. So it's actually really cute. I was like a little suspicious and a little skeptical about this because it kept saying like we was sharing a unit with other people, but I guess it's little villas. Like we all have our own room and shit. Like everything is gonna be our own. I don't know who the fuck told me to leave the house in this hot ass sweatsuit. Georgia weather, it was hot. I started regretting my decision as soon as the pilot got to talk about it was 88 degrees down here, and I should have known, but like I wasn't expecting it. Normally I'm okay in a little sweatsuit, but y'all, it's OD hot. I'm ready to go into the room. What kind of tree is this looking like that? You got them spikes under this shit. I need to get in that freaking room, like. That rental situation just really fucked us up because it's like we can get up and leave how we want, go somewhere how we want. It's gonna actually aggravate me. And then we still got another 20 minutes and we're gonna walk to the store, I guess, in a little bit whenever we get into the room. Yeah, I'm sweating so bad I probably end up sweating my eyebrows off.
Y'all, this is a quick little video because I got music in the background and I don't want to get copyrighted, but I did change my outfit when we walked to the store. But I'm about to take a shower and change my outfit for tonight, so yeah.
We're about to take our shots. I got 2 shots of peach New Amsterdam, and then we just got this because we was trying to get drunk so bad earlier.
I got
what is
silver
this?
tequila. The liquor store person picked that out for me.
Yeah,
And then pink Smirnoff.
I
This
wish
is the
it
best
was-
Smirnoff.
I'm about to say, I didn't know that was the Smirnoff one. I'm like, damn. And that was the last one.
Yeah, this is the best one.
But
Here's our first shot. Cheers.
okay, let me go ahead and finish the rest of my shot. Damn, we really ain't got no lighter.
I don't have that over here. Oh, my stomach burning. I've been drinking girly drinks all damn day.
I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to drink tonight.
Look, I'm not a drinker. I'm a fucking smoker. When we doing this one before we leave?
I mean, we need to get ready to leave in a little bit.
Yeah. You know what we fucked up at?
But
We're drinking before we take our pictures.
there's only 2 shots.
Girl, you know I already can't.
So we got another outfit change. Let me fix myself. But yeah, whole outfit, Play-Dohs, shoes, I think Fashion Nova, jewelry. I don't know, but get into it. We're about to go to this, what is it called? Oh, a vibe after 5. So we're gonna see how that is. Get some drinks, you know, get lit, and then maybe find another move after that. But yeah, I love the browns. This shit is it.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town.
Just tapping in real quick, y'all. We at this little vibes after 5, and y'all, it's actually dead. It's grown folks here, and ain't nothing wrong with that, but it's like it's not a vibe at all. Like Just got to Bayside. We actually didn't plan on like coming here first. Look. We didn't plan on coming here first, well, but we just found out because we didn't want to go to the Bacon Beach on the strip. So we coming to the Bacon Beach in Biscayne. I mean, we're in Biscayne. But yeah, it's in Bayside. And it's about to rain, y'all, but let me go ahead and show you my everything.
Crazy down bad, what they had didn't last, damn baby.
Anyway, my spring pussy still good. Wishing that a bitch a lot of people don't make shrimp and grits right, so. Okay, so anybody who say Bacon Beach is not good, y'all's a lie. Bacon Beach was good. It was a vibe. I guess maybe it might be a difference from being on South Beach or being in Biscayne. Like,
I recommend.
Yeah, nothing.
I recommend Bayside. Bayside.
Like coming in the Bayside and eating at the one in Bayside instead of the one on the strip. It's a little smaller, but like it definitely was a vibe for real. The shots, the drinks, everything. I had the shrimp and grits, and then I had what was my drink? The Hustler drink. Great, I definitely recommend it. And I will probably, anytime I come back here, I gotta go there because
we're coming the fuck back.
Because like
they should make this shit lounge.
A lounge? No, really. If it was a lounge, the music and shit was a vibe. Like they was playing the right music.
Grease like updated music. Like
yeah, like you know some places be playing like the little old music. But let me stop it because I don't know how long the music been playing in the background. We just came and got some donuts. I don't want to talk. Yeah, we finna see what they talking about. These the donuts, y'all, and I'm gonna be 100% honest. Hell no. Today has actually been going way better than yesterday. It's been a vibe. That's really all I've been going for, a vibe. But we're about to go ahead and order our Lyft and go back to Bayside so we can get ready for our boat tour. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Hopefully they don't cancel our boat tour. Girl, tell me why after we left Bacon Beach, I crumpled up our tickets but I threw them away. I'm like, wait, hold on. What is this for? But you already know I'm gonna come back to you when we get into the lift, I guess. Okay, we are now starting our boat tour. So we just finished the boat tour and now we're about to go to the house, y'all. I'm slick, hungry, slick. I don't even remember the last time we ate. What time was it?
Lunch. It was like 1 o'clock.
Yeah, and then donuts. Like that was it. So I need something in my stomach before we go out. We don't know, well, we might go to this one place, but we gonna see. I'm gonna go home, get dressed, and go back out. We're finally home, y'all. Home. We finally back. Gonna eat some pizza roll, y'all, until we go out or something. This little outfit for tonight, I'm gonna snap. It's going to go crazy. I don't know. All these damn lizards and shit back here. I was just a sneaky machine. Gonna remember me and eat the dick for free. I turn around and she knocks. She's trying to go to that back and I come. She said she love me. I'm like, what about? And this is the outfit for the night. We're about to go to what, Uncut? I wouldn't be surprised if it's just very much dead and we just wasted our money again on this trip. These people down here just be blowing a horn like they have no home training. But we finna go find something to eat, y'all. While we get to the lounge and the kitchen closed, it's just like, what else? We made it to South Beach. We're eating at this restaurant. Hey, got my little Bahama Mama. This is the first drink, because ain't no telling how many I'm gonna drink while we here. We got the same thing. Yeah, I might have to pay the $4 for the ranch. Like, I don't think I can eat no plain burger like this. No barbecue burger at that, but I got a barbecue bacon burger, and yeah. I'm gonna eat here, vibe and sleep. About to go to sleep, and look. Y'all, what if we actually fell asleep and they just right here? Man, hell no. Oh, hell nah. It's actually pretty out here. If the sand is pretty. And y'all, I like sand like this. Y'all know I hate sand, but I think it get a little thicker and shit up there. It feels real good, like actually out here. But too bad we're not getting in. But it definitely feels good. What's the water cold? It's currently like 7:40 something, and our plane does not board until 8:14, y'all. Tell me why I left my AirPods in our lift. My AirPod in like the case. I have one AirPod with me, but I left the other one in the fucking Lyft driver's car. I don't know what Miami got going on, but every time I come here, it's always something. It's always something. Finally on the plane, getting ready to go home. I ain't never been so ready to go home. Alana's sitting across from me, but like in another room. I was thinking maybe we'll be able to get the switch seats, but we're not gonna be able to do that. But I got the window seat, of course. Yeah, I'm so ready to go home, see my baby, you know. That's really it. And I'll see y'all when we take off and when I get back into Atlanta.